Great is your faithfulness to me. Hey everybody, Wade McNutt here, pianomeditation.com. God, we just call you into this lesson. We thank you for your promise. We thank you that you don't give up on us. We need you, God. Pray for the student wherever they are in the world. In your name, amen. Promises, key of B flat. Don't be scared of the key of B flat. And if you don't have any cheat sheets, go ahead and grab you some of those. You'll want to copy this down into the cheat sheets. That'll be on the very last page, number 14. That link is below, and sign up for the email list and I'll send you right over to that. You can also copy and paste the chords from below the video. I love this because so many songs, there's just this anchor note. So in this, it's going to be F on your pinky here in the right hand, and right around middle C, here's middle C. But everything shifts around that. So let's just go over those chords first. Get those down. The G minor 7. You might be saying, why am I just playing this in my right hand? Because you're playing the G in the bass and it makes it work, okay? You don't have to think that hard about it. I'll just tell you real quick what's going on. And then in the E flat 2, do this little stretch here. E flat's in the bass. Up here is what makes it a 2 or a 9. It should probably be called an E flat at 9, but it doesn't matter. It's E flat 2, all right? And then B flat chord right here. If you wanted to, you can even add in this note with your B flat chord, and then your F with the 4 in there. Very common to kind of smush these notes together, and it gives you that really cool sound, that unique sound. Instead of just playing a F chord, it gives you that little dissonance. All right, and this is that 4 in there. So what you need to do is move in between these 4 chords here. Get to where your hands can move in between them as you see them. So if you need to pause the video and do that, because I'm just going to run through this thing pretty quickly. It's a fairly simple song, keeps going through a pattern, and you just want your hands to do that. Okay, they've got to learn. Maybe it takes a little time to get used to this pattern, but you can do it. So the only other thing is going to be in the chorus when you see this B flat / D flat. So anytime you see the slash, it's talking to the bass player, not that you would ever want to talk to a bass player, but it's talking to this bass player down here, your left hand, and you play D and a B flat here, the right hand. Guitar player. All right, so let's go through the song verse. You're just gonna play kind of 2 chords a piece. I'll show you a little thing they do in the intro. There's not a whole lot of heavy piano intro stuff, but they kind of do a thing that maybe is an intro. So I'll teach it to you here in just a second. But look at the verse. So you go, God of Abraham. So kind of 2 chords a piece on here. The God of covenant, faithful promises. And time again, you have proven to do just what you say. Okay, pretty simple. You just got to get that movement. The words are very syncopated, so if you're going to play and sing it, that might take you a little bit to do. That's okay, though. Same key as the recording, as the long, beautiful worship recording, so you can play along with them as you want to. So into the pre-chorus, we're going to keep jamming along. Though the storms may come and the winds may blow, I'll remain steadfast. Let my heart learn when you speak a word, it will come to pass. All right, we're just flowing through that pattern. Isn't that nice? And then into the chorus. And now we have this B flat / D on that second chord. And great is your faithfulness to me. And great your faithfulness to me. From the rising sun to the setting same, I will praise your name. Yes, great is your faithfulness All right, so that's the kind of main idea of the song. Like I said, you can copy and paste the chords and lyrics from below the video, and it shows you the bigger kind of arrangement of what they do in the of that long recording. But you don't have to do it exactly the way they do it. Just kind of take the main parts of the song and pray it the way that you think God is calling to you. Let's look real quick. Let's jump back to the intro. So it has this 1, 2. So the C, D, G, C, B flat. So that comes within, you got the G minor 7 starting off. 1, 2, C, da, da. Then we meet with the bass playing the E flat down here. C, B flat, 2. Do it again and G. Da, 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 da. Where did I go? I'm back to your regular programming. Verse 2, I'm just going to sing through that just so you can keep to get the flow, but I think you'll be able to take this and run with it just with the recording. Verse 2, God from age to age, the earth may pass away, your word remains the same. Your history can prove there's nothing you can't do, you're faithful and true. Into the pre-chorus, storms may come in the winds. All right. That interlude, you're just keeping that the E flat. You'll just do that pattern. I think they're more just vamping. It has it as an interlude. You're kind of vamping and praying it out. Then we go into this bridge. I put my faith in Jesus, my anchor to the ground. You got this. My hope and firm foundation. Never let me down. Right on. Rock and roll through that. They will repeat that quite a bit of times. And then at the end, when you're done repeating it, you do that last, he'll never let me down. Never let me down. Back into great and great is your faithfulness to me. Cool. So it's really more the simple of some of the songs I've done. Very powerful though. Very powerful. I was getting emotional as I was practicing through this and getting ready to teach y'all guys. So, all right, Wade McNutt here. Please sign up for the email list. Link below and stay in contact with me. And I'll show you more training. Tell you about my piano chop site and worship training and all kinds of cool stuff like that. And if you get a chance, go to Spotify. Listen. You can search prayer music. You'll find prayer music. There's lots of piano things that I've done. Go check that out and pray along with me. Put it in the background as you're working. It's very, very peaceful. Wade McNutt here, pianomeditation.com.